just in Dollar Tree, and I'm noticing that they just put out a bunch of fall cups. They must have been in a box somewhere and have made a reappearance, which is kind of cute. But anyways, we'll go look at the Christmas things. These are really neat because you can unwind the tinsel and then just wind it up with a different, like a twine or something. Same with the little truck. I actually purchased the little red truck. And here's a little farm. These remind me of the one at Michael's that are attached to the door hangers. These are beautiful. Santa needs to stand up too, right? So many signs, so many decor pieces, and this year they really have quite a beautiful selection. Look at the little camper. And if you look through these, you'll find the little red truck sometimes. Not always, but you might get lucky. There's the little red truck. Has anyone spotted the 14-inch gnomes? Not these little ones that are hanging as Christmas ornaments, but they actually have little feet and they're quite large. Few little things here left for Halloween. Not very many, but the countdown is on with the kids. They're like 4, 3, 2, 1. They have some wonderful sprinkles. I have to look for, these are really awesome, but I actually have to look for the little candy cane ones that are available for Christmas. I love when they restock items. It gives me a chance to think, do I actually need another package of these? But I don't think I do. The one that I bought is plenty if I do any work with it or a little DIY. The little houses are still available if you need the little cobblestone houses. Do pick them up now because these will sell fast. The little church is cute. You can spray paint them or paint them a different color that suits your decor. The white trees are really pretty too. Isn't this beautiful? I love that it's such a nice solid piece of wood. I wish the Christmas trees were the same, but I'm gonna buy one of these deer and do something with it. What else is here that I need? I'm excited for the bags to come out. They're gift bags because they have some really pretty prints that are going to start showing up. So they have some of the Christmas dishware out. Now, there is a new line, and I think I have filmed it and shared with you in another video. This is really pretty. It looks so solid. This is a little surprise for me. So they sometimes are with the floral things, but right now it seems to be hiding in with the kids stuff. So if you're looking for the new line that's out, there's another line of them. Take a look in the floral area and in the kids area now, because you just don't know if they've run out of room and needed to store them somewhere else. There's always new little things here. Oh wow, look at this. I think this is the first time I'm actually noticing or finding. I love that they're straight edged. I'm going to buy another one of these. I already purchased one, but you know what? They're hard to come across. Oh, and there's also some of the wooden, they're supposed to be arrows, but I see a little house here. I'll grab one and share with you. These little guys, they're supposed to be arrows, but I see like a little house shape. Oh, these bags here are like a new find, or a latest find for me. They're laminated pouch bags, and they're great if you're, selling things and stuff. These are felt maple leaves, which you can do a craft with, I guess. Also wanted to point out, I think I saw them when I was, here, the Crafter Square magnet pieces. You guys were asking about those. I love that these already come pre-cut, so it looks like it went through a cutting machine or some sort. There's some really nice, you know what, these are great too if you want to do, I'm thinking of something I need that for. Some awesome stencils. I know that they have some letters now. I'm not sure about numbers, but they do have stencils for letters. Oh, I think I'm gonna buy these. They're so beautiful. These are really nice too, and they're puffy. They're puffy stickers, so they look really nice on a pocket letter or like a card if you're making cards. They have so many gorgeous stickers right now, and they just keep putting out new ones. I'm always surprised every time I look at the sticker department thoroughly. I find another package of stickers I can buy. The gems are always so pretty. These are newer. And there's a little bit of something for everybody. If you like stickers, they do try. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? Oh, I need these as well. There's some babies in the family and friends are having babies. These are cute too, aren't they? I don't know if I need them, but I definitely like the sweet ones for the babies. There's some different ones in there. These are new. The little ice cream truck. Oh my gosh, there's just so many. Look how cute these are. Has anyone tried these? I hear that they're not too big, but they look like they're interesting to sort of organize, especially for kids with virtual learning nowadays. These are pretty. A few months ago, I found some corrugated cardboard pieces that they sold at Dollar Tree, and they had some with patterns like colors, and then they had others that were just white, brown, I think even black corrugated cardboard type paper. And I really need it because I want to make something with it, and here we are now, and I can't find it anywhere. Yeah, there's nothing here, just white, black, regular poster board. Super awesome to find that they have like all these wood pieces, but also the acrylic paints are back in stock. This makes me happy. Oh my gosh, cute stickers. The little Ellies. Oh, so freaking darling. If you have a car lover in your family or your friends that you need gift ideas for, Dollar Tree currently has a ton of Armor All. So you can put a really nice gift package together. Ooh, Maple Leaf things. See, Armor All. Car wash. There's a bunch of detailing product here. I have a DIY in mind and I need cable ties. I'm just trying to figure out how many I need. If this package would do the job. Are they big enough? Do I need longer ones? I'm thinking about it here. These mop heads are perfect if you're making DIY gnomes. These work really well as like their little beard, or even something like this would work. I've made one most beautiful Pom Pom Wreath. I actually really love it, using the Dollar Tree yarn, these yarn balls and stuff to make the pom-poms. I've shared with you on the channel. If you want to see, I'll put the link in the description down below. So I always like looking at their little novelty pieces, their decor, because there's always something fun here. Like these so remind me of the Star Wars line. If you're doing like a robot theme or something like that in your kids' room, or Star Wars theme, those are nice little accent pieces. There's the little dinosaurs, these nice big pieces of wood. If you need to repurpose them, you can paint them a different color, put your own sayings on them. And they have some really beautiful wall stickers right now that you can use on your DIYs as well. The 18-inch wire wreath forms are available. If you need one, buy one, because they sell really, really quickly. And I think I need to get another, like these ones here, they sell really quick, but I think I actually need to get some foam to do some work with it for the Christmas season. I just have to figure out what pieces I need. So they have floral moss and all varieties here, and then all these foam pieces are new as well if you want to, you know, transform these into other uses. Oh, and the raffia. Has anyone seen the big giant package of this raffia? I've been looking everywhere and I can't find it. Allie's Totally Awesome has been a hot seller these last few months. I think every time I come in, they either have it fully stocked and then the next day it's completely cleared out. It's crazy. Oh, and there's always this little area here too with a bunch of trinkets. Aren't these cute? I actually really love these. I keep trying to figure out if I need one. They're ceramic and they're large. They're really pretty. Has anyone bought them? And if you have, what have you done with them? Just wanted to leave you with a couple little snippets from my latest Dollar Tree haul that's posted to the channel, and I will post a second part to this walkthrough. Until next time, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.